Hi, welcome. In this session, we are learning about the way of declaration of the variables and the way of output what we can derive from it. Let us find, here I am declaring a variable id, name and job are three different variables where we can handle the output of it. Initially, I had declared the name of variable as a Bhimsen Rao Karanam and job technology trainer id as TSE40. And the same where we are going to display the output of it. Now here let us find Python followed by the program name. So here where we are finding the output of it, so TSE40 and Bhimsen Rao Karanam as the name of the value where I am getting it as, and here then further we are displaying the value over the location. The first ID where you are finding in this is showing the information and the name and job. Now I want to make the output in different manner. I want to display all the three elements in a single line. So here when we have to display the number of elements in a single line, we can do in further way of approach also. I'll take for our understanding sake as a line separator, then print id where I want to display the value of the id. Let us take id equal to the value what I am having here as comma id where I can take it, or then here we will take it as an end of the line as a blank. It means that it is not displaying the new line. Default end will be new line and I want to make it to be a continuation of it. So I'll take the next output as a name equal to the outcome of the name where I'm finding over here, then print job equal to where we will display the job of it. Job equal to job where we are calling as a variable. Now after job it has to end the line. Name should continue along with the id only. So where we will take the end space accordingly. Now here we will see the output of it.